Good cast. Make some noise, baby. Make some noise. Make some noise, baby. Make some noise, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yo, what's up, guys? Before we get into the video, I'm gonna go ahead and put this here if you want to watch just fish and not the video. What is up, guys? It is your boy Surge. I think we're gonna have a good fishing day today, to be honest with you. It's a little overcast, it's a little windy, but we'll check it out, man. This place I've been going to over here, it's been producing a lot. This tiny little fly, I'll show you guys in a little bit. This tiny little fly has been hitting them like crazy. So hopefully we get some bass on. Small ones, big ones, I don't care, man. I just want to catch some fish today. It's a beautiful Sunday. Beautiful, beautiful Sunday. I'm over here, parked over here by my patient's house. Super cool guy. It's cool. It's good to be people, guys. Trust me. This guy had came in for some treatment. We shot the shit for a little bit. Started talking about fishing. Started talking about fly fishing. He was like, "Hey, man, I got a really cool spot behind my house." And I said, "Oh yeah," and he was like, "Yeah, man, you could for sure come behind it." So I was like, "Okay." And then so he gave me his address. So it's right around the corner from my house, probably a mile, maybe not even. And so I parked, and I'm literally at the spot now. So I'm gonna go ahead and switch over to my GoPro and set everything up for you guys. Hopefully I get something on. Let's get it. Oh, looks nice in the water. Oh, that one just hit it. Just hit it. I missed the hook set. Oh yeah. There it is. There it is. Come on, buddy. Oh, he came off. Oh, there was another one there. Oh, sorry, my legs are wrapped up. There we go. Perfecto. Oh, come on, man. How are these coming off? How are these coming off? Bite again, buddy. You better bite again. You better bite again, man. Ah. That's so annoying. That's like 4 today. No way it's raining. No way it's raining. No way it is raining right now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Whew. Oh yeah, that's a decent one. Nice one to start the day off as. There we go. Woo! Let's go this way, buddy. Not bad, guys, not bad. Beautiful fish, man. Woo! Gorgeous. Let's get the thing out of here, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's a good one. That's a decent one, guys. Oh yeah. Oh, that's a decent one, guys. That is a decent one. Woo! Look at that rod bend, baby. Look at that rod bend, baby. He's strong. He is a strong one. Let's go this way. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Wow. He wanted that one. On this guy. Healthy fish. Beautiful fish. Check that out. Not a bad fish there. Let's check it out, guys. Not a bad one right there, guys.
Not a bad one.
Alright guys, we're coming to the other side. On the right side. Caught a few bass here the other day. It actually looks really pretty, and then compared to the whole other side of the lake is probably the most calm part. I think I'll catch some bass here, to be honest. I'm feeling good. I probably have like 20-30 more minutes left. See what we can get here. Oh, there was one. That was one. One hit it. This is actually a pretty part. I like this part. This is a nice little spot.
Spark it up, audio.
Good cast. Make some noise, baby. Make some noise. Make some noise, baby. Make some noise, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Ooh, he's aggressive. Get in here, buddy. Woo! Oh, relax. Man, these things are devouring them. I'm telling you, man. Stay updated on my Instagram, Peace Love Fly Fishing. That's usually where I post all my flies. Sometimes I'll post some videos. There'll be some different content. Just go ahead and follow me. I'll have that posted right there. That's usually where I post everything. Obviously, I'm going to start posting more on YouTube. Some more videos and stuff, but the specifics, I'm going to be on Instagram. And this green Diablo that I'm using today is actually going to be a part of a series that I'm going to put out. So just keep that in mind. If you guys are fly fishermen, or you know anybody that are fly fishermen, the Diablo series, we're going to have a series of colors and stuff like that. So just stay updated on Instagram. Nice. That's in there. Sorry, I got a scratch on my leg. All right. Let me get one here. Yep, I'm gonna get one here. I'm calling it. I ain't calling it. Oh yeah, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! Oh yeah. Oh man, get you guys a fly rod, guys. Get you guys a couple flies, and I promise you will have a blast. Whether it's a big rod or a small rod, doesn't matter, man. You can switch everything up. Everything's interchangeable. There's a little bit of research behind it if you really want to get into it. And honestly, I just thought it was really cool. That's how I got into it. I thought it was a little different, and I ended up loving it. So get your friend, get your kid, get your mom, get your dad, your cousins, a fly rod, something that's already set up. Doesn't have to be expensive, it could be cheap. That's how I started. And honestly, man, it's just a blast. It is honestly just a blast. You get a big fish on, it feels Gimondo. Small fish on, it feels Gimondo. Everything's just amazing. Oh yeah, there should be one out there. There should be one out there. There we go. I'm out there. Let's go. Oh, no. That was a big one. That was a big one. Or do I still got him? Oh my God. I casted literally towards the other bank. and it hit as soon as I hit the water. I got him here. There we go. No, another one, guys. I missed it. Another one I missed. Holy shit. It's shorter. I don't know if he's out that far. He might be looking for it. Good skip. Great skip. Great skip. Got him. There we go. There we go. There we go. I knew there was some in here. Oh, not bad. Small little guy. See you, bub. Oh, let's get it. See if we get a few more before we get out of here and end this video. If you guys are still watching, man, thank you for watching. I will get better at talking, but I don't know. I just focus way too much when I fish. Like, I focus a lot. You know, and I watch these other YouTubers that are, you know, very good at fishing, and they keep a whole conversation going, but I'll get there. I'll get there with time. I'm gonna try and get underneath this tree and go on that far side. That was a great cast. That was a great cast. That was a great cast. I have to get something on this one. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Small one again. I tell you, man, these small ones, their size. It's a nice little one. Some of them more aggressive than others, and they go crazy sometimes, man. I tell you, these fish are a little cold. See you, bub. Oh. There we go, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Whew. Guys, it is over. I'm tired. Whew, we caught a good amount of fish today. There's some that were off camera, but for the most part, I caught a good amount of fish today. I think there's some good footage in there. I wasn't able to use my iPhone as much to get like the different angles and stuff, but we'll work on that. We'll see how this video goes. If you guys did like the video, man, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, please. I am gonna be posting more videos. I'm trying to stay consistent with this. You know how it is when you first start, so should have started a long time ago, but finally got the gear together and finally got the stuff going to where it's not a hassle going out and filming. So I'm getting used to it. Thanks for watching. It is your boy Serge. Check me out again. Check me out on Instagram. The link's gonna be there. And also check me out on YouTube. If you're watching this on something else, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel and let me know what you think. I will see you guys next time in the next video. I'm gonna go home, shower, and take my ass to bed because I got work in the morning. Let's get it. Turn up. I'll see you.